Hello and welcome to the YesTalks. My name is Anand, and today I'm going to tell you about how to deliver phenomenal presentation. So whenever you plan to deliver any presentation, structure it in three parts. One, introduction of the presentation. Second is the body of the presentation, and third is the conclusion of the presentation. Keep them in the ratios of 10% intro, 80% body, and the rest 10% is the conclusion of the presentation. Always start it with introduction. And remember, your introduction should be catchy enough so that your audience may get hooked. After that, try to define the topic. Try to define your what you're going to talk about in the presentation. Then slightly move ahead towards the body of the presentation. And remember, the body of the presentation is the heart and soul of the presentation. So try to deliver everything what you prepared with facts, figure, and examples. Try to add a story or the humor to engage your audience. Then slightly move towards the conclusion of the presentation. Here you need to summarize everything. Remember, it should be precise enough so that your audience get inspired, impressed, and influenced for call to an action. At the last, I would only say that practice makes a man perfect. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep rocking.